Experiment 30, the cooling effect. Tools needed from kit: 3 Petri dishes, yellow measuring spoon, 1 small test tube, packet number 6, which is the urea, funnel, 2 plastic plates or plastic cups, water, sugar, and salt. Step number 1, use the test tube to measure 15 ml of water into each dish. Step 2. Pour some salt into 1 plastic cup and sugar into the second plastic cup. Step 3. With the big end of the measuring spoon, put 3 to 5 spoonfuls of sugar into the first dish. 1, 2, 3. Step 4. Put 3 to 5 spoonfuls of salt into the second Petri dish. 1, 2, 3. Step 5. Put 3 to 5 spoonfuls of urea into the third Petri dish. 1, 2, 3. Step 6. Stir each mixture with the spoon until the grains disappear. Step 7. Now hold each Petri dish in the palm of your hand. What do you feel? What do you feel?
It's cold. This one's colder. This is the coldest.
The Petri dish with the urea got colder, didn't it? When your urea and water combine, they make a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction is when something brand new is made. Often it tends to cause a change in temperature or bubbling or sound or fire. Urea is also used in cooling packs. Have you ever used a cooling pack? They stay cold, right? That's because of urea.